Before you buy a solar PV combiner box, watch this first. Choosing the wrong one could leave your solar panels vulnerable to overloads, lightning surges, and unnecessary repair costs. That's why we've selected 5 reliable solar PV combiner boxes that offer strong protection, durable construction, and excellent value. Stay with us to find the one that best fits your solar installation. Number 1. Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V. If you're building a small solar power system and need reliable protection, the Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V, is an excellent choice. Designed for DC systems up to 600 volts, this IP65 waterproof enclosure combines 2 solar panel inputs into 1 output while protecting your system with a built-in fuse, MCB, and surge protection device, SPD, against overloads and lightning strikes. Its durable PC housing is built for outdoor environments, making it ideal for residential solar installations. While it doesn't include smart monitoring features, it focuses on dependable protection and simple installation. Pros: built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD. Durable IP65 waterproof enclosure. Easy installation for residential systems. Cons: no CE certification listed. No wireless monitoring. Who's it for? Perfect for homeowners and DIY solar installers looking for a dependable 2-input combiner box. Final thoughts: if affordability and reliable protection are your priorities, this model delivers excellent value. Number 2. Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 2 out, DC 600V, 32A. The Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 2 out, DC 600V, 32A, is designed for users who need greater flexibility in medium-sized solar installations. Supporting 2 inputs and 2 outputs, this combiner box is rated for 600 VDC and 32A. It features built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD protection, helping safeguard your solar equipment against overloads and lightning surges. One of its biggest advantages is its CE certification, giving buyers added confidence in its safety and quality. The rugged IP65 waterproof enclosure is suitable for outdoor environments and long-term use. Although it doesn't offer smart monitoring, it focuses on certified protection and dependable performance. Pros: CE certified, dual input and dual output configuration, built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD. IP65 waterproof enclosure. Cons: slightly more complex installation. No wireless monitoring. Who's it for? Ideal for professional installers and users building medium-sized solar systems. Final thoughts: if flexibility and certified protection matter most, this combiner box is an excellent option. Number 3. Full Copper Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 2 out, DC 600V. The Full Copper Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 2 out, DC 600V, stands out thanks to its premium full copper internal wiring, improving conductivity while reducing power loss. Designed with 2 inputs and 2 outputs, it also includes built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD protection for dependable system safety. Its lightweight yet durable ABS enclosure features a waterproof design suitable for outdoor installations. Although it doesn't list CE certification or wireless monitoring, the full copper wiring makes it a great option for users who prioritize electrical efficiency. Pros: full copper internal wiring, complete fuse, MCB, and SPD protection, waterproof ABS enclosure, excellent electrical efficiency. Cons: no CE certification listed. ABS housing feels less premium than PC. Who's it for? Great for users who value better conductivity and long-term electrical performance. Final thoughts: the premium copper wiring helps this model stand out from many competing combiner boxes. Number 4. Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V 32A. The Solar PV Combiner Box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V 32A, offers an excellent balance of certified safety, durability, and dependable protection. Designed with 2 inputs and 1 output, it supports systems up to 600 VDC and 32A. Built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD protection helps safeguard your solar equipment from overloads and lightning strikes. Its IP65 rated waterproof enclosure keeps internal components protected from dust and rain, making it well suited for outdoor installations. Thanks to its CE certification, This model provides additional confidence for homeowners and professional installers alike. Pros: CE certified, built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD. IP65 waterproof housing. Reliable residential performance. Cons: no wireless monitoring. Limited to 2 input, 1 output systems. Who's it for? Perfect for homeowners wanting certified protection with simple installation. Final thoughts: a dependable all-around combiner box that balances safety, quality, and ease of use. Number 5. Full copper solar PV combiner box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V. The full copper solar PV combiner box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V, combines efficient electrical performance with dependable system protection. Its full copper wiring improves conductivity, while the integrated fuse, MCB, and SPD help protect your photovoltaic system from overloads and lightning surges. Built with an IP65 waterproof ABS enclosure, it withstands harsh outdoor conditions while keeping maintenance simple. Although it doesn't include CE certification or smart monitoring, it offers an excellent combination of performance and affordability. Pros: full copper wiring, built-in fuse, MCB, and SPD. IP65 waterproof enclosure. Easy installation. Cons: no CE certification listed. No wireless monitoring. Who's it for? Ideal for homeowners looking for efficient electrical performance in a compact combiner box. Final thoughts: if full copper wiring is your priority, this model delivers dependable performance at a competitive price. Final verdict: each of these solar PV combiner boxes offers dependable protection, but they serve slightly different needs. Best overall: solar PV combiner box, 2 inches 2 out, DC 600V 32A. Best value: solar PV combiner box, 2 inches 1 out, DC 600V. Best premium choice: full copper solar PV combiner box, 2 inches 2 out, DC 600V. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.